Welcome to the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. My name is Olivia, and I'm taking you on this journey. A moment in stillness to support you, to ground you, and to hold you in presence. Let's start with day 1. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your back straight but relaxed. Your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to soften with each breath. Take a deep breath in. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Turn your attention to your breath. There's no need to change it. Just observe. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Let your breath be your anchor, keeping you grounded in this moment. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Simply notice it, then gently bring your focus back to your breath. Allow yourself to simply be. Feel the breath flowing effortlessly, like waves in the ocean. Allow yourself to be fully present with this moment, breathing in calm and breathing out everything that doesn't serve you. Let each breath bring you deeper into stillness and peace. Notice the gentle sensations of sitting, the air against your skin, the quiet around you. Let your breath guide you, steady and calm. Before we come back, take a moment to set an intention for the rest of your day. What energy do you want to carry with you? What would support you today? As you hold this energy, gently start to notice the space around you, the sounds, the air against your skin, the connection to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feel the surface beneath you, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a final deep breath in and exhale completely. Carry this sense of peace with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. See you tomorrow for day 2